Can you delete all archive stories on Instagram? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will see if you can delete all Instagram archives story on Instagram at once. So go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for archive. Tap on that and now scroll through to the story that you want to delete. If you want, you can delete stories one by one by simply opening the story and tapping on the More option on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the Delete Story option, then tap on that, and when prompted, tap on Delete again. However, if you are looking forward to delete all archive stories at once, then unfortunately you cannot do so, as you will have to do it one by one manually. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.